Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride.
This is a women's V-neck large.
Women's V-neck large.
I want us to get that pole out and do a shibori for the next one.
Okay, we can do that.
Since this one is a V-neck, I'm gonna try to do that pleated yoke.
Pleated yoke. You will get a bird's eye view of the pleatage, people.
Oh wow.
Yep, we're back in action. Back tie-dyeing. We've been very busy, got a lot of stuff in the works that you're about to see real soon. Can't say a lot more than that, but you will definitely see some changes very soon. Big, good changes. Got us a nice little pleated yoke here. A little squid yoke. That's what likes to play when you first yoke them. Do a scrunch on the leftover.
Scrunch.
Scrunch pattern.
Scrunch. Scruncha buncha.
Scruncha buncha. Buncha scruncha.
He looks like a guitar.
He does look like a little guitar. The peace signs look like violins. Or music notes.
Oh yeah, we should try peace sign again soon.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna try we're gonna just call it a leaf.
Oh yeah.
We gotta just call it a leaf.
Next week, people, you get a leaf.
But I think you guys know what kind of leaf I'm talking
You get
about.
a special leaf. A maple leaf. An Adidas leaf.
A maple leaf cousin. No, we're not gonna even say Adidas. We're not even gonna go there.
No, just kidding.
Not even.
Is that even a leaf? That's a maple leaf, isn't it? Isn't the Adidas leaf a maple leaf?
I don't know what that's supposed to be.
I don't know. It looks like a maple leaf. The Adidas logo there is. No Adidas. Nothing name brand. Go to the diner.
Okay.
She's got a slew of color over there. There is no bubble gum in it whatsoever. Don't worry. We got rid of all that. But we do have a lot of good stuff in there. All sorts of beautiful color. What will she kick it off with? That's the question. A little bit of hot pink. Beautiful, beautiful hot pink. Lemon yellow.
Lemon.
Beautiful lemon yellow.
Glacier.
Glacier blue. Glacier blue. What did you say? Glacier?
Glacier.
Glacier. Look at that green it's forming. Ooh. Ooh.
I'm gonna hit it with some purple on the bottom.
Ooh, mix some lav or some deep purple. You got a big lavender too, right there. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful lav. We love the lav.
I'm gonna hit it with some hot pink and lemon on the bottom.
Hot pink and lemon on the bottom, and that'll be all?
Yep.
So, all told on this one, we have hot pink, lemon yellow, glacier blue, and lavender. Beautiful, beautiful color combination. One of our old school favorites. A little bit of pink sunshine at the bottom down there for you. Ooh. So beautiful. Look at that. To the drying room.
Nope.
Oh, wait, no, sorry, bottom. Gotta do the other side. More lemon. A little more blue. More lavender. We've got some very intricate tie-dyes on the way, people, if you're wondering what's been going on. We've been filming some more in-depth videos that are going to take a little longer to produce. They're not going to be coming out on the daily, but they will be much more instructional and
Tutorial.
yeah, more tutorial-like. We're gonna try that out at the same time, you know. So don't think we haven't been doing anything over here. That beautiful, beautiful scrunch bottom. Now, to the drying rack.
Okay.
Drippies.
We go. We go. Bottom.
Bottom shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.